nice mild day in South Jersey. In the tropics, we are starting to heat up though. We have Tropical Storm Epsilon, which is nearly stationary this evening, but it will be moving to the north and the west, and eventually to the north. Looks like it's somewhere near or around Bermuda, even over Bermuda, late in the week on Friday. In terms of what it means for us, we're talking about rip currents and we're talking about swells and high surf, but no direct impact. Something that may have more direct impacts, keyword on may, would be what happens over the next 7 to 10 days here. There will be some kind of area that develops out of the Caribbean Sea. From there, it's going to go somewhere over Cuba, and the potential range of tracks, yes, you're seeing that red line awfully close to New Jersey, could also go out to Bermuda. Point is, something to watch out for, though I will say this isn't another Sandy. We're not going to have that left turn. The pattern does not support that. The pattern does support some kind of west to north motion with this system. This is actually something I've been watching for over the past 7 days, and the models have been pretty consistent on this. So if we do get that next system, that will be Zeta. And Zeta was actually as far as we got during the historic 2005 season, which, as of right now, is the most active on record here. And with about 5 weeks to go in hurricane season, I bet we do get past that, and we have a new record here in 2020. For this evening, we'll see temperatures that slide through the 60s and into the 50s. We have a partly cloudy sky and a light east-southeasterly wind. As we go into tonight, we're going to see areas of fog develop, and that fog will be dense at times here. You're going to see the fog develop to our west, but eventually to our east. This is now 5, 6, 7, then 8 a.m., even 9 a.m., we're going to see dense fog, and it could last until about 10 o'clock or so, especially along the shore. Otherwise, it's a mild night here. Temperatures 10 degrees above average. A great night to leave the windows open. And as we go into the day on Tuesday, along the shore, it'll be in the 60s for the most part, just hovering around 70 degrees. Further inland, away from that fog, like Mullica Township, could even get up to the mid-70s here for high temperatures. We're in the low 70s everywhere else here in South Jersey. If you're heading out on the water, we have a light southerly wind. Seas are 3 to 4 feet on the ocean. Low tide will be 4 to 6 a.m. tomorrow, and then we'll go into high tide as we go deeper into the morning. If we're looking for temperatures for the rest of the week, well, they are going up, up, and up again. We'll be more than 10 degrees above average on the mainland for our Thursday. At the shore, we'll be 10 degrees above average. Overall, a warm pattern here for this week in South Jersey, and that continues into next week as well. This is the week leading into Halloween. This also includes Halloween. If you average all the days next week added up, 40 to 50% chance of it being above average according to the Climate Prediction Center, and that's versus either average temperatures or below average temperatures. So really 40-50%, pretty good shot that we're going to be above average. Here's a look at our mainland 7-day forecast. We rise up through the 70s here on the mainland. We have that early fog to sun over the next couple of days. Then as we go into the weekend, we're staying dry and we're staying mild for Friday and Saturday, but temperatures do take a couple steps down, and by Sunday we should be more seasonable here. And it does look like our next shot of rain will be next Monday in South Jersey. We'll be back with you at 6:30 tomorrow morning. We're going to talk to you all about South Jersey weather, of course, and we're going to let you know where it actually feels like this week. It's not a week for South Jersey weather. We're warmer than that. We're going to show you where in the deep south it's actually feeling like when you take into account our temperatures. You can follow me on social media for that, or you can always come back to our website at thepressofac.com/weather.